Hey guys, well, we're trying something a little different here with the photography. We're out on the kayak, as you can see. Just trying to look for some photos, trying to make some photos out here on Speedwell Forge. So yeah, we're gonna row around the corner here. Hopefully there's some birds or something down around the corner, and yeah, we'll see. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just something a little different out here in the water. Trying to find some different, make some different pictures. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, please like and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thanks guys. We'll see you next time.